Hi class. Today we are in Chapter 1, Lesson 3. How are the California and Pacific Northwest peoples shaped by their surroundings? So what we're going to be looking at is how the environment shapes how different people live. A variety of landscapes. Let's zoom in here and start reading. American Indians settled in a number of vastly different natural environments in the American West. American Indians established settlements in the snowy Arctic regions of Alaska, the forested coasts of Oregon and Washington, and the arid deserts of Southern California. Surviving in each of these climates required very specific skills, and, as a result, American Indians across the American West developed unique ways of life. Ancestors of the Navajo and Apache people may have reached the Pacific Northwest about 5000 BC. Eventually, some of the ancestors of these people migrated south, but others remained in the region. The Tlingit people belong to the same language family as the Navajo and Apache, meaning the groups share a common ancestor, but their surroundings have caused them to develop a very different way of life. Let's take a look at this picture here. The caption reads, "Hand-woven baskets were an important tool in Pomo life." Let's take a look at the next page. Up at the top, we have a timeline. The timeline reads, 100 BC, Inuit settle the Arctic. AD 1, Miwok begin occupying the lowlands of California. AD 1700, Tlingit people govern a large territory in the Pacific Northwest. AD 1855, Chief Seattle and other Pacific Northwest Indian chiefs signed the Port Elliott Treaty, granting their land to the U.S. government. Let's take a look at this map here. So the map says the Pacific Northwest and California were home to many groups of American Indians. As we look at the map, we can check out the legend here. So it says in this green area are American Indians of Alaska, and this pinkish color is American Indians of the West. Here you can see this is a map of all of North America, and this square right here is this square right here. So it's showing an enlarged picture of this smaller map here. So this is the Alaskan area here, and this is the West here. And this would be counted as the Pacific Northwest. Now, based on the information in the text, Alaska is probably going to be the area of the Pacific Northwest that had the most snow. So it influenced their environment because of, well, heavy snow, whereas in this desert area, well, they don't get snow. So their lives would be much different than those in Alaska, which is what we're going to see over the next several lessons. All right, class, go ahead and reread this page if you need to, or rewatch the video, and we'll see you soon.